since I caught you all that ice. You got no shit, no more.
Anyway guys, that's a mentor, the question of Nas, faith, Nasdaq. Okay guys, I'm back with another video guys. So on this video guys, I just want to show you guys how to actually analyze US30 guys. So yeah guys, let's jump to the chart and see what is happening, you understand? So yeah, as you guys can see, this is US30 here. This is my daily time frame. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm just gonna quickly start with my 1 week time frame, which is the time frame that I normally start with when I analyze, you understand? So as you can see on this, and the reason why guys I start with US30 is that actually not US30, the reason why I actually start on the higher time frame is that I want to see the structure of the market. I want to see the root of the market, you understand? So on this US30, I'm just going to quickly identify my highest point, which is this point here. Then I'm going to come for my current lowest point. So my current lowest point is going to be this point here, understand? Here. So as you can see, this is my current highest point and current lowest point. What I'm going to do here, I'm just going to cater places when the market touches, the market reverses only inside my highest point and my current lowest point, you understand? So which is this point here and this one. And if I can tell you on these ones guys, remember this, we call them zones. So the zones that you actually identify on the bigger time frame, they're actually strong, meaning when you get to switch to those other time frames, which is smaller time frames, you get to see the market reversing once it touches that certain zone you identified on the bigger time frame. Understand? I hope everyone do understand what I'm trying to say here. So here we have a zone. Understand? Yeah, then from there I'm just gonna zoom in and identify my trend with my diagonal support here and my diagonal resistance here, you understand? Then from there, what I'm gonna do here, I feel like on this weekly time frame I do have a major key, you understand? So if you don't know about these major keys and also, make sure you DM me using the numbers provided on this video, you understand? So from there I'm just gonna switch to my daily time frame. So on my daily time frame, I'm just gonna do what, I'm just gonna adjust there and there to see what is it that USDT is currently doing, you understand, or currently creating, you understand? So I feel like here I'm just gonna put this point here. Reason being is because this will be a invalid trend line, so I'm just gonna put it here so that will be a valid trend line, you understand? So looking at these points guys, I'm just seeing this as a proper zone and a strong zone here. I'm just gonna highlight it proper, and also from there I'm just gonna switch to my 4-hourly time frame to see what is it that is happening on the 4-hourly time frame. So on the 4-hourly time frame, what I see on US30 guys is that I see the market coming back to this point, taking other people here so that it can start pushing to the top again. So meaning on US30 for me, I'm looking for more buying opportunities, but for my buying opportunities I'm just gonna wait for the market to come to this point in order for me to take buying opportunities, you understand? So yeah, from there I'm just gonna identify this point here. I'm just gonna identify also this point here. Let's see if it's gonna be a proper one. Okay, let's switch to hourly time frame. Yeah, it's going to be a proper one, proper trend line here. Yeah, because we can see based on the touches, this trend line literally makes sense, you understand? So we're just gonna have to touch to this point in order for us to start pushing to the top, you understand? So if you're looking for more buying opportunities on US30, just wait for the market to come to your entry point so that you can start pushing to the top, you understand? So you can start pushing to the top with it. So from there, just gonna wait for the market to come to this point and push with it to the top, you understand? And again, for you to be on the safe side, because it might happen that the market can start literally push to the top. So you just have to identify this point here. So once the market closes above this certain strongest resistance, So just make sure you push to the top with it. So yeah guys, thank you guys for watching this video guys. Meet you guys on the other video guys. Thank you.